The most common way for people to earn a living is having a traditional 9-to-5 job. But if you are looking to start a side hustle, get some extra cash, maybe you are in between the jobs or have been made redundant or laid off and need to get some money coming in, then keep on watching as I will be giving you 9 ways of how you can earn a living from home online with no conventional job and the ways that you can start right now. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Victoria and here on this channel I talk all things work and career and give you tips on how to find and land your dream job and succeed in your career. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to not miss any new videos that come out every Monday and Thursday. Okay, let's dive right in. All the jobs that I will be talking about in this video you can start doing straight away, and for the most of them you don't need any particular qualifications or skills. So number one way to earn a living from home is by doing micro jobs. So micro job is usually a small or a short task that you receive a very small amount of money for, usually a few dollars. These jobs are done by logging onto a company's website and then selecting a task that you would like to do. So websites like Clickworker and VOICEOVERS offer these types of tasks and the possibility to do these jobs. The types of jobs these websites offer are data entry, proofreading, text creation, surveys, research, app testing, and so on. For some of them, you will need to take a test before being approved by the website. With microjobs, bear in mind that the tasks are very simple and short and the amount of money you receive is low. So you will need to be completing as many tasks as possible. This way is most likely not going to bring you a full-time income, but it is a good starting point and you can start right now with no experience. It is also a good trial if you have never worked online before and not sure what kind of online jobs you would like to do. With microjobs, you can test things out very quickly. The number 2 way to earn a living from home is become a proofreader. If you are a native or bilingual language speaker and have an eye for spelling errors, typos, and seeing grammatically wrong structured sentences, then this might be a job for you. With this option though, you might have to take a course or have some experience doing proofreading before, and you will probably need to take a test before getting the job. The number 3 on the list is translation. Same as with the proofreading, you will need to know the language and grammar really well. Bear in mind that you can only translate from foreign language to your native language or the language that you are bilingual in. Generally, you don't need any qualifications or experience to do this job unless you want to be translating very specific piece of content in medicine or engineering, for example. Number 4 way to earn a living from home online is to become a virtual assistant. So a virtual assistant is a person who provides various services to entrepreneurs or businesses from a remote location. You can do a variety of tasks that generally include answering emails, scheduling appointments, maybe some social media management or something like that, and maybe maintenance of records and so on. Now, with this one, while having some experience would be great, but if you don't have any and want to pivot your career, don't worry. Main skills that are required by virtual assistants is to be highly organized, be efficient and dependable. And you can also show that you are a great fit for this job by showcasing that you have the skills and any other transferable skills that you have gained during your career till now and that are relevant to this particular job by writing them on your resume. If you want to know how to do that, make sure to check out this video here. The number 5 way is to do video or audio transcription. There are still a lot of companies who would like to have their transcriptions done by a human and not a bot, so you will need to be typing a video or audio out word by word. There are also content creators out there who require these kind of services if they don't have the time to repurpose their content to transcribe a video content into a written blog post, for example. The rate for transcribing varies anywhere between 75 cents to $2.50 per ready audio minute, so you will need to be a fast typer in order to make this job worth your time. Number 6 way to earn a living from home is to teach English online. If you are a native English speaker or are a bilingual, then this is a great option to start. There are a variety of companies that are constantly recruiting for their online platforms, and you can start with no experience. The platforms you can look at are VIPKid, iTutor, Cambly, TeachAway, Dada, and QKids. The requirements to teach on these platforms are pretty similar but still vary, so make sure to check the options and choose the one that works best for you. Usually teaching English will require a TEFL qualification, but you can start without one on some of these platforms and get the qualifications later if you really enjoy what you are doing. Usually the companies will give you something like 120 days to do your qualifications since you start with them. You can earn anywhere between $7 and $23 an hour on some of these platforms, but make sure you check how the pay is structured beforehand. Number 7 way to earn a living from home online is to do voiceovers. So voiceover artists provide their voice for animated films and television shows. They narrate documentaries and do voiceovers in television and radio commercials. They also might provide voices for animated characters for feature films, for television programs, and animated short films, and also video games. For this job, you will need to be able to read aloud very well, have a good microphone and quiet recording space. Pay range really varies from project to project, but to give you an idea, you can make anywhere from $60 for a short 15-second voiceover and up to $1,000 for a longer project. You can find the projects to do a voiceover on the websites like thevoicerealm.com, People Per Hour, Voices.com, and others. Number 8 way that you can earn a living from home online is to become customer service representative. So more and more companies want to save on office rent and other expenses and move or hire their customer service reps to work from home. All you need is a laptop, good connection, and a phone. You can do this type of job on a freelance basis, but also you can find some companies that are hiring for permanent remote positions. For freelance positions, you can check websites like Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and so on. For the permanent remote position, companies that are hiring for customer service support roles at the moment are Postscript.io, Livestorm, Alorica, Kforce, and Notarize, just to name a few. The great place to check for remote positions is a website that is called remote.co. They have a variety of remote jobs that are updated regularly. I will leave a link in the description box below for all the websites and resources that I'm talking about in this video. Number 9 way to earn a living from home is to do copywriting. All businesses need to sell their products in order to be profitable, and copywriting is a great way to help businesses to do just that. To start with the copywriting, if you don't have any previous experience, is a little bit difficult but not impossible. You will need to have some work to show to potential clients, so create a portfolio with a couple of blog posts or articles, for example, of advert copy that you can then show to your potential clients. If you don't know anything about copywriting but are good with writing and good with words, take a short online course that will help you to hone in the specific skills that you will need. You can find some great courses in platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. The marketplace is quite competitive in this particular niche, so starting out on a big freelancer platforms might take a while for you to get the project. Instead, try reaching out to your favorite blogs or small businesses directly by showcasing your portfolio and asking if they need any help. These are some great ways to start earning money from home right away if you need some extra cash or are in between jobs, or maybe have lost your job and need some short-term cash influx while you are searching for something else. And if you are already looking for a new role or thinking about career change, make sure to check my other videos. There are some invaluable tips on resume, cover letter, and interview that will definitely help you job search. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it some love, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I wish you guys all a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.